name is Dylan. I'm a Year 2 electrical engineering student with a second major in the Innovation and Design program and a minor in Computing, Design and Engineering. I'm currently in the NUS Calibur team. Welcome to the NUS Calibur workshop, where the members will spend most of the time developing their robots. The NUS Calibur is a robotics team that participates in the Robomaster competition held by DJI. The competition happens every year in Shenzhen, China, which is a 7v7 competition. Currently, I'm the project manager for the engineer robot, which I'm tinkering with right now. The engineer robot has a gripper to exchange an energy core for money in the game. On the right here, we have 4 members of our Darkness training program, which is a program meant to induct people with zero robotics experience into our team. We mentor them from the ground up to nurture them into becoming engineers just like us. Here I am discussing the firmware for our engineer robot with 2 of our firmware team. Here I am with my team trying to tackle the firmware for the custom controller. For the controller, we're trying to tune the PID such that it can stay in place even when you're not holding it. Even though I'm an electrical engineering student, in robotics, we often get to touch many other aspects of engineering, including the mechanical side and the firmware side. Over here, I'm soldering a slip ring PCB. For our robots, we will need the head to turn 360 degrees, but the wires would usually prevent that. To fix this issue, we have slip ring PCBs and a slip ring so that the robot can seamlessly turn 360 degrees. Here I'm testing the previous engineer robot. We are currently designing a new engineer robot. For ARM-UL, I participated in the 3v3 competition as the pilot for the standard robot. The greatest hurdle during competition was trying to overcome the jet lag, as Singapore and America have a very big time difference, and the first few days we were very shaken up by the time difference and the jet lag. During the competition itself, one of our robots actually broke in half, and we had to quickly fix the head and the body together during the break time. As a whole, I really enjoy being part of Calibur. This team really brings a sense of family and gives me a great avenue to apply my skills outside the classroom. Overall, this entire ARM-UL experience really made me learn a lot about on-the-ground troubleshooting and learning to deal with our emotions and controlling other factors. I'm very grateful for Team Calibur for selecting me to go on this journey to America with them. As a year 1, these opportunities do not come easy, and I'm really grateful that I'm able to experience such an exciting competition. So this is my university life beyond the classroom. Thank you everyone for watching. If you ever want to apply your skills in engineering outside the curriculum, we're always welcome you here at NUS Calibur.